Students, today we will start civics class 8 chapter 2nd ideals of the Indian Constitution. This is the first part of this video. In previous previous chapters we had studied about our constitution or the Indian Constitution. Now we will learn about ideals of the Indian Constitution. The preamble of this constitution. Preamble means you can say preface. The preamble is a short introduction that sets out the guidelines for the people of the nation to follow. Next heading is features of the Indian Constitution, means highlights or main features. First is sovereign, second is socialist, third is secular, fourth is democratic, fifth is republic, sixth is justice, seventh is liberty, eighth is equality, ninth is fraternity. In the highlighted words in the preamble upload the principles of our constitution. Hence, they are extremely important. Let's go through these words and understand their meanings. Sovereign means independent. The word sovereign means supreme or independent. This implies that India is an independent state and free to conduct its internal and external affairs. Second is socialist. Social and economic equality is one of the goals of the state. This makes India a socialist state. Social equality implies that all the citizens would be treated equally. सभी citizens को समान रूप से treat किया जाएगा. Irrespective of their caste, उनकी caste की रिस्पेक्ट की जाएगी. क्रीड, जेंडर और रिलीजन. इकोनॉमिक इक्वेलिटी ऑन द अदर हैंड implies that the government would ensure fair distribution of resources and try to reduce the gap between the rich and the poor to the minimum. Next is secular. India is a secular nation. It has no official state religion. All religions in the country enjoy the same status and support from the state. Next is democratic. India is a democratic country, we all know. Means the government is elected by the people through universal adult franchise. Next is republic. In republic, the head of the state is elected on 26 January 1950. When India became a republic, India became a republic when the constitution came into force. This day is celebrated as Republic Day every year. The head of the state, the president, means the head of the state, the president, is elected for a fixed period of 5 years. Next is justice. This means that all the citizens are treated equally and that there is no discrimination based on color, caste, race, religion or gender. The rich and the poor will be penalized equally for the breaking rules. Means सभी के लिए जस्टिस एक समान ट्रीट किया जाएगा. सिटीजन्स के को बराबर का अधिकार है या बराबर से ही ट्रीट किया जाएगा, चाहे वो जितना पुअर हो चाहे वो जितना रिच हो. उसने अगर उसमें कोई भी क्राइम किया है तो उसको इक्वली, दोनों को ही इक्वली पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. और मेनी मोर rules are there. Next is liberty. The word implies that the Indian Constitution secure the liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship for all its citizens. This means that all citizens have the freedom to express and exchange ideas and to practice any religion they want. Next is equality. The Indian Constitution also provides equality in terms of status and opportunity. All citizens have the right to equal opportunities. Likewise, job and all means हमारे इंडिया के एवरी सिटीजन को, प्रत्येक नागरिक को जॉब करने का राइट है, अधिकार. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रेटर्निटी. दिस implies the prevalence of fraternity or a sense of brotherhood among the citizens of the country. All citizens of the country are like brothers and sisters and are united as Indians. Students, these were the features of the Indian Constitution. Now we will learn all about the ideals of the Indian Constitution in the next part. Thanks for watching.